403B plan. What is it and how it works? Two main types. The term 403B plan refers to a retirement account designed for certain employees of public schools and other tax-exempt organizations. Participants may include teachers, school administrators, professors, government employees, nurses, doctors, and librarians. The 403B plan, which is closely related to the better-known 401k plan, allows participants to save money from retirement through payroll deductions while enjoying certain tax benefits. There is also an option for employer to match part of the employee's contribution. There are 5 things you need to know about this. The 403B is a retirement savings plan which serves employees of public schools and tax-exempt organizations. Contribution to 403B plan are made through payroll deductions. The IRS limits the The IRS limits the amount employees can contribute to the 403B plan. The advantage of a 403B includes faster vesting of funds and the ability to make additional catch-up contributions. Investment choices may be monitored, while with the limited investment choices may be more limited with a 403B, and some accounts offer less protection from creditors than 401k. If you would like me to go in depth with this, please let me know in the comments and I will give you an in-depth video. Thank you.